Alright, well, imagine I told you there was an investment out there that you could put $1,000 today, and by around the same time next year, you could almost duplicate your money. And no, you don't have to do anything crazy with your credit cards, or you don't have to, take cash equity out of your home to get into this investment. But it's actually something that you could start with as little as $25, which is pretty easy to kind of enter into this market or into this investment. Or you could go as crazy as, putting your whole home equity, which I would not recommend. In this video, again, I'm going to go over that specific type of investment and how I've already invested some money and how I've already made some money in this investment. And I thought it would be interesting to share kind of my experience and my thoughts into what are some good things and bad things about this type of investment, and whether this could be a good type of investment for you. An investment that gives you a 90% APR on average. Again, this is not set, it's variable. So in the time of holding this investment, I have seen the APR change from 116% to 90 to 85 to 75 to 90 right now. So it kind of does change and it's volatile. But before we continue, guys, please be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps me a lot. I'm gonna try to reach to 3,500 subscribers by the end of September. So with your help, that's really gonna help me a lot. Every Tuesday, I'm posting cryptocurrency videos. So if you're new into the cryptocurrency world, if you are already into the cryptocurrency world, but you wanna have a more safe strategy approach, then that's what all my videos are about, how to make money through cryptocurrency in the safest way possible. Okay guys, and I will be teaching you in this video how to actually start getting into this investment. In order for you to do this, you do have to already have a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet or some other sort of wallet that's connectable through Wallet Connect or just the PancakeSwap. And you'll see right here somewhere in the screen, I'll be sharing my screen of how I bought it. But the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and Google PancakeSwap. When you go ahead and Google PancakeSwap, you're going to go to the first site that you get. Then you're going to go to the PancakeSwap website. Once you get to the PancakeSwap website, you're going to go ahead and pretty much connect to your Trust wallet. In this case, I use Trust wallet, so that's why I'm going to reference my wallet to Trust wallet. So now Trust wallet cannot have a browser in its app, and so now you have to use Wallet Connect, which again, I'll show you right here. You're going to click on Connect Wallet. You're going to tap on your wallet. In this case, it's Trust wallet. And then it's going to take you to the app, and it's going to take some minutes for you to, I guess, get a request to approve connection to your wallet. And then that's how PancakeSwap's going to connect to your Trust wallet for you in order to buy or exchange funds. The nature of this is just we need to have Cake token in order for us to stake it. That's what we are doing here. It's just a simple stake. And what a stake means is that we're going to be putting something for, we're going to be giving these people or PancakeSwap our Cake tokens for them to hold, and then they in return are going to be paying us interest for every time for every day or week they hold that specific cake. It's a similar concept on what I do with crypto.com in my USDC and a 12% return a year. However, in this case, we're doing it now with PancakeSwap. So again, once we have connected our Trust wallet to PancakeSwap, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have Pancake token. So in my case, I actually bought Pancake token through crypto.com because that's where I have most of my funds. Once I bought the Cake token through crypto.com, I just transferred it over to my Trust wallet because for some reason I couldn't connect my crypto.com account to the PancakeSwap website. So I had to transfer it over to my Trust wallet and then connect my Trust wallet to PancakeSwap. I know it sounds very, very confusing, but I'm going a little bit faster here for those people who kind of already have an understanding of what Trust wallet is and all that. Now, if you don't know where to even start, I will be leaving a video somewhere here on how to buy, let's say, some other token that you can just see how to create your Trust wallet and how to do all that. Now, if you still want a more in-depth video, be sure to comment and I'll be more than happy to create another video on how to create your Trust wallet, how to connect to PancakeSwap and all that stuff. Once we have finally bought our Pancake token, we're gonna go ahead and connect our Trust wallet to PancakeSwap. We're gonna go ahead and tap on pools. We're gonna go into the automatic Cake staking pool. And then as you guys will see on the screen, I already had a specific amount of interest, somewhere around $78 accrued in a matter of, just 3 months. with only $300. That's technically already a 25% return, 30% return, which is pretty good. But we're gonna go ahead and then now add our cake into here. We might be billed a little bit of a fee, and keep in mind that because there's a browser issue and requesting and all that stuff, sometimes there's errors and lags. So as you can see on the screen, I actually staked my pancake and then I got an error, but then the amount wasn't in the crypto wallet, which was kind of weird. At the end, it turned out that my cake tokens were transferred successfully to PancakeSwap, and so everything was fine. But again, let's just assume I have here an APY calculator I just found on Google, honestly. So let's just put right here that we're gonna put $1,000 with a 90% APY, and that we're just gonna be compounding it. Let's just put monthly, or let's just do yearly because we don't have. We're just gonna put 0 monthly deposits, and we're gonna put it at 12 months. So if we calculate, we should have roughly around 1900. Which again, high yield savings accounts only gives you 61% right now. Rewards checking, some of them only give you 1.25%. 90 APY is insane. Again, keep in mind that the price of the token could go down. I mean, and so technically you wouldn't earn anything. But this time, I mean, even though I have lost $30, I went ahead and bought a little bit more. And so, I mean, it's a risk, guys, really. It's a risk. I personally do like PancakeSwap because the company or the nature of PancakeSwap, this is where I buy most of my altcoins. And so they are an exchange, you know, so you could use BNB to buy some other token. And then along the way, PancakeSwap gets a fee. So they make they make their money with their fees. So I think it's just a good business model to invest. It's similar to Uniswap from the Ethereum exchange. And so this is just powered all by Binance tokens. So you can't really use Ethereum to trade in here. It all has to be Binance token. But overall, guys, I think it's a pretty interesting investment. It's an investment that you could get 90% APY. Again, as you guys can see, it just changed the 0.04, so it's continuously changing. But overall, I think it's still a good investment to just put maybe $100, forget about them, come back a year later and see how much we have. And I'll be showing you here in the screen how much APY or how much cake I have. And so you guys can see, I mean, right now I have roughly around 850 bucks and all that stuff. But with that being said, guys, really that's it. This is how you participate in a 90 APY% investment, which I think it's quite interesting. You know, I think it's interesting to diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio. So right now I have USDC, which is my most safe investment. I get a 12% interest rate or return. Then I have PancakeSwap, which again, I'm pretty satisfied with the return so far. Not to mention right now I just bought some more, so if it does go back to the price it was before, I'll be duplicating my money on the value of the token, not to mention the interest I'm getting as well. It could go also down and I would be losing, so that's a possibility, but that's a risk that I'm willing to take. You know, I have all my other tokens, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all that stuff, just staked into crypto.com, but I think I'm starting to create a nice diversified strategy on my portfolio, and so hopefully that portfolio will grow and I'll be showing you guys how it's performing. But again, what do you guys think? Is this something you guys would invest in? Is this too complicated for you to invest in? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you want $25 for free, be sure to check out my referral link in the description below for crypto.com. You get $25 simply by depositing $100. Or you could also get 4 free stocks from Webull, which again, you could also trade cryptocurrency in there as well. Again, just by simply depositing $100 within the first 30 days or something like that. So that's free money, guys. Honestly, even if you're not going to use a platform, just go ahead and open the account. You get money, I get money, and you know, you don't have to use it. You just withdraw your money after like 30 days and that's it. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.